Hi, welcome to Pari Kitchen. There are many ways to fight flu and cold. In our recipe series, we are going to prepare a soup which helps in preventing cold and flu. Oats are used here to thicken the soup instead of corn flour or any thickening agent. Health recipe series, recipe number 6, Thooduvalai soup for cold and flu. Ingredients: water 250 ml, Thooduvalai leaf 1 fist. Thorns on the leaves may harm you while you are washing. Be cautious. Turmeric 2 pinches. Shallots 4. Garlic cloves 2. Small ginger piece. Oats 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds half teaspoon. 1 green chilli without seeds. Salt to taste. Hing 1/4 teaspoon. Pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Preparation: in a jar add Thooduvalai leaf, oats, turmeric, shallots, cumin seeds, garlic, ginger and green chilli. Then grind it to a smooth paste. Take 200 ml water in a bowl. Add ground paste to this, adding 50 ml of water to that. Let it boil on the medium flame for 3 minutes. Once it boils, reduce to the low flame. Then boil it for another 3 minutes. Now add hing, mix well. Now it is time to add pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix them nicely. Turn off the flame and serve it in a bowl, garnishing with coriander. That's it. Our Thooduvalai soup for cold and flu is ready. Use the link in description box to view this recipe in Tamil or Telugu. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.